Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to film another quick product review and demo. Mascara is one of those products that dries out really quickly for me, and I probably should replace my tubes more often than I do. My current mascara really has seen better days, so I just picked up a new one to try. I was in the drugstore the other day and I walked by the e.l.f. display and realized that I hadn't tried any e.l.f. products in months. The last time I picked up an e.l.f. mascara, I did not like it at all. I think actually the last two e.l.f. mascaras I tried, I really didn't enjoy, but I saw a new display and I grabbed one to try. It's really hard to resist the $3 price tag. The one that I got is the Volume Plumping Mascara in black. It looked like a pretty standard brush. I did the rest of my hair and makeup. I just left my lashes for you guys, so let's jump right into it. All right, so here we go. Just a standard tube, a Volume Plumping Mascara. Honestly, I do like the sleekness of a plain tube. Let's open it up. It doesn't look like it pulled a ton of product, and there's really nothing special about this brush. So I'm curious to see how it wears. Alright, so far I really like the way that it's brushing through my lashes, but I don't feel like they're being coated that well. So let me go back in with a second coat. Alright, that's 2 coats on the top lashes. I'm prepared to not like it, but I think I actually do. They look very natural, they're very wispy, and they are pretty lengthened. I feel like I'm just missing that fullness. I want them to look a little more full, so I think I'm gonna go in and do a third coat. I think 3 coats gave me the results I was looking for. I'm pretty impressed with that eye. I don't really know how to explain it. I feel like the product wasn't being distributed throughout the whole lash. Like I could not get it to the ends, but it did distribute pretty evenly. I always have a really hard time getting my lashes to be evenly separated, and I'm pretty impressed with how this one was able to do it. All right, let me do the other side real quick. This is gonna sound strange, but I almost feel like it has a hairspray effect. Like it's lifting my lashes and helping them to stand straight. I feel like I'm almost perming them. They definitely feel very sticky, like they don't feel wet. There's not a ton of product, but the product that's getting on there is really doing its job. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Both eyes are done. Let me give you my final thoughts. I'm really happy with how they look, but for some reason the application process wasn't that exciting. I didn't feel like there was a lot of product being distributed. I didn't feel like anything was really happening. That's a good way to put it. I didn't feel like anything was happening. As I was applying this mascara, I felt like I was just brushing nothing onto my lashes, except maybe hairspray or some kind of like thicker pomade. It seemed like my lashes were being lifted and they were just gonna be stuck in that position, but apparently the product did distribute and they look pretty good. I'm really kind of shocked. I was not expecting to like this as much as I did. For $3, it's totally worth a try. I'm going to continue using this until it dries out, which I feel is going to be pretty soon. I have a hunch this is not going to last me very long. That's okay. Most mascara doesn't. All right, so for a rating, I think I'm going to give this a solid B. It's not the best mascara I've ever used, but the results speak for themselves. Definitely worth a try. So keep sending me your favorite mascara recommendations. I love testing them. I love doing these quick videos. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet, and I will see you guys in the next one.